A recent study found that 35% of employees spend 2 to 5 hours a day on meetings and calls, but they have absolutely nothing to show for it. Now, using Vevox, you can run polling questions at the end of these small meetings to make them more efficient. Within your Vevox session, create an open text question type and give it this title. Save the question, and when you're ready to go for the end of your meeting, you can present full screen by pressing this button here. Once you're in Vevox Present View, you can open your polling questions by pressing this button here. Also, your audience can join with the joining instructions on the left-hand side. If you're doing this virtually, just share your screen, or if you're doing this at an in-person meeting, then just make sure you have the Vevox Present View displayed behind you. You can now show the results as they're coming in. So we know that Sophie and James have a plan of action and commitments following this meeting. You can do this in meetings as small as 2 people or in a team of 8 people. Now, Vevox can accommodate for much larger numbers than this, but it is recommended to have this in your smaller meetings and teams for this style of polling question. Once you have finished your team meeting, go back to the Vevox dashboard, stop your polling question, and then head over to the Data tab, where you can see everyone's commitments. Now, you can download this as an image and send it out to your team so everyone knows their plan of action and commitments before your next meeting. I hope that was useful for everyone. See you next time.